What's up, Jay? So a quick update especially with the Trovantums. I had an issue with my virtual machine, so stuff happens in trading. So at this point, I need to change VirtualBox. It's just the last time that it fails me. It's amazing how bad it can get. So I need to create new environments for testing more EA. So I'm gonna use the built-in Windows. Honestly, this is the first time I hear from that one, so it can fail again. So that's part of trading. Honestly, it's just that I have all my PCs and servers full at this moment, especially with my EA. I'm developing new models and optimizing the investing one that I'm running with my live accounts. So kind of priorities, but nothing bad. At the end, what I'm gonna do with Dark Venus, these are the previous accounts that I was pretty much uh, checking or giving a good review once in a while. As you can see, they start January 08. But what I'm gonna do is gonna take the UJ pairs. As you can see, I have it in 3 true Bantums. So I'm gonna do new true Bantums. Especially I want to test out USD, Euro USD, and out CAD, and maybe add Euro GBP in an extra true Bantum because it's giving very good results. It was only the fail with UJ, but at the end it can happen with any pair. We just need to give it a little bit more time, so that's why I need something consistent. For now, I know that all the terminals were at least doing fine. No, not a big drawdown like last week that we had the 10 and 9%. So it will be again a new test, but also with new pairs or new combinations. So I expect better results. At least we will take this drawdown if no pair acts like UJ last week. And the profit, as you can see, it's at least positive, so that's very good. You're not putting your money in very big danger, at least at the very beginning, since EA at least is capable of closing at a very good volume. We have at least 19 trades, that it's very big. It's not even 1 month, but the biggest has almost 150, so very decent amount of trades, and also conservative lot sizes. But at one point, as you can see, you can get very big drawdowns. That's why great management is very important. But also I'm gonna add more EAs to the forward testing. In this case, I'm gonna be forward testing only MT5 EAs, but the last two that I was testing are Percept Trader and Waka Waka. Both are from the same developer, so are kind of similar. The issues, they take too long. They use pending orders, and also they modify them a lot in the span they are open or closed or waiting to be open, so that creates a lot of logs, or the debug message is creating tons of logs, so the journal is just boom creating comments, and that slows the process a lot of testing. So with MT5, at least I know that we have faster results, or an amount of time when the test will be done, and also the ticks will be better, or the quality and the spread and the slippage conditions are better. So I'm gonna move on with only free A's from MQL market that are MT5, unless some users show me some interesting results of MT4 EAs, or they pay for the backtesting service. Well, I'm not into testing more MT4 for now. Only my EA, of course, until I move to MT5. But it's natural to offer new platforms, or the newest platforms, as we could say, content. So MT4 at this point, it's very outdated. We know, or I know that we love it, but I think it's time to move on. So I'm gonna drop 2 MT4 EAs, Waka, Percept, and the 2 that we already had, that were Ikarus and Dark Venus, with new True Bantums. And I'm gonna drop Cyber Pulse, that is a Show USD EA that I'm optimizing. Looks good. Probably a second MT5 EA. I don't know yet which one. I have a lot in the list. I saw one that is FX Hedge, something like that, Pro or FX. Yeah, Hedge FX, something like that. It's good. It's looking good, so I'm gonna test it. And I'm gonna start updating again the True Bantum series, we could say. So just the quick update, because pretty much the one that we were tracking is gone. So I need to fix that stuff, and by Sunday I expect the new ones running. At least at the start of the market open, that's my goal. So for now, that's everything. Have a good one, Juice.